What if I told you that you could start Forex trading with just $10 and potentially see consistent profits within your first month? I know, you've probably heard those get-rich-quick promises before, and most of them are complete garbage. But here's the thing, I'm not talking about some sketchy scheme. I'm talking about Olymptrade, a legitimate trading platform that's been around since 2014. And I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step strategy that beginners are using right now to get started. The best part, you don't need thousands of dollars, you don't need a finance degree, and you definitely don't need to quit your day job. You just need about 20 minutes a day and the willingness to learn something new. So if you've been curious about Forex but didn't know where to start, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to place your first trade. Now, let me be real with you for a second. 2 years ago, I'd heard about Forex trading, but it seemed way too complicated and risky for someone like me. Then my co-worker Jake showed me Olymp Trade during our lunch break. He wasn't making millions or anything crazy. He was just consistently making an extra $200, $300 a month. Nothing life-changing, but enough to cover his car payment. What caught my attention wasn't the money. It was how simple the platform looked compared to other trading apps I'd seen. No confusing charts everywhere, no overwhelming interfaces, just clean, straightforward tools that actually made sense. That lunch break conversation changed everything for me, and today I'm gonna pass on what I learned to you. Alright, so here's exactly what we're covering in the next few minutes. First, I'll show you how to set up your Olymptrade account and navigate to the Forex section. It's easier than you think. Second, we'll walk through my simple 3-step trading strategy that focuses on major currency pairs like EUR, USD. Third, I'll demonstrate a real example trade with actual numbers so you can see exactly how the math works. And finally, I'll share the 2 biggest mistakes I see beginners make and how to avoid them completely. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your first trade safely and what to watch out for. Sound good? Let's jump in. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll search for the Olymptrade website and access the official site. Click Registration, input a valid email, and set a strong password. Hit Register to move forward. Once you're in, here's what you need to know. You'll see the asset symbol like EUR, USD at the top. Click on it to open the drop-down menu where you can switch between FTT and Forex trading. Make sure you select Forex mode, not the FTT. Pro tip, start with the demo account first. The demo account provides a risk-free environment where you can practice without losing real money. You get virtual funds to play with, and honestly, this is where you should spend your first week. The interface is super clean. The user-friendly interface helps you easily manage and configure your trades, and the platform will automatically open a trade at the price level or time you set. Now here's my beginner-friendly strategy. It's not fancy, but it works. Step 1, pick major currency pairs. Stick to EUR, USD, GBP, USD, or USD, JPY. These are the most stable and predictable. Don't get tempted by exotic pairs. They're called exotic for a reason and not in a good way. Step 2, use the trend following method. Look at the price chart. Is it generally going up over the past hour? That's an uptrend. Going down? Downtrend. We're going to trade with the trend, not against it. Fighting the trend is how beginners lose money fast. Step 3, set your trade size and limits. Trade sizes range from $1 to $5,000, but as a beginner, never risk more than 2% of your account balance on a single trade. So if you deposit $100, your maximum trade size should be $2. Let me show you exactly how this looks in practice. Let's say we're trading EUR USD, and it's currently at 1.0950. Looking at the 1-hour chart, I can see the price has been climbing steadily for the past 3 hours. That's our uptrend. Following our strategy, we want to buy, go long, because we're trading with the trend. Here's the math. I set a $5 trade. Remember, only risk what you can afford. If the price goes up to 1.0970, that's a 20 pip movement. On Olymptrade, depending on your leverage, you could see a profit of around $2 to $4 on that $5 trade. Set your stop loss at 1.0930, 20 pips below your entry, and your take profit at 1.0970, 20 pips above. This gives you a 1.1 risk to reward ratio, which is perfect for beginners. The key here isn't to hit home runs, it's to consistently hit singles and doubles. Small steady profits add up over time. Quick question, would you try this strategy with a demo account first, or are you the type who jumps straight into real money trading? Let me know in the comments. Now, let me save you from the two biggest mistakes I see beginners make. Mistake number one, overtrading. I get it. When you see a profitable trade, you want to jump right back in and do it again. But the market doesn't care about your excitement. Stick to 2-3 trades maximum per day when you're starting out. Quality over quantity, always. Mistake number two, ignoring risk management. Never ever risk more than you can afford to lose. I don't care if you're sure about a trade, the market can be unpredictable. According to statistics, more than 75% of people lose in trading. Don't be part of that statistic by being reckless. Here's a bonus tip. The platform allows manual access to various indicators like MACD, RSI, and moving averages. As you get more comfortable, start learning about the RSI indicator. When it's below 30, the currency might be oversold. Good time to buy. When it's above 70, it might be overbought. Good time to sell. Also, take advantage of their educational resources, including webinars and tutorials. They're genuinely helpful and will speed up your learning process. And remember, you can add more money to your open trade to increase its resilience to volatility, but only do this if you really understand what you're doing. Alright, let's wrap this up. We covered how to set up your Olymptrade account, my simple 3-step strategy focusing on major currency pairs and trend following, saw a real example with actual numbers, and learned about the critical mistakes to avoid. Here's your one key takeaway. Success in Forex isn't about making huge profits on every trade. It's about consistency and risk management. Start small, practice on the demo account, and focus on learning rather than earning for your first month. The opportunity is real. The platform is legitimate, but your success depends on your patience and discipline. Don't rush it. Master the basics first and the profits will follow. If this video helped clarify Forex trading for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading content. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's your biggest fear about starting Forex trading? I read every comment and will answer your questions. And if you're ready to get started, I've got a special link in the description that'll give you access to Olymp Trade with some exclusive bonuses for my viewers. Don't wait. The best time to start learning was yesterday. The second best time is right now. See you in the next video and happy trading.